So you actually have USDT inside your Tonkeeper wallet. So it's not actually Toncoin but a USDT. So as you can see, I have 10 USDT. So you want to actually transfer it to another exchanger for you to actually convert it to your local currency. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So I'll be transferring this particular 10 USDT to Binance in this particular tutorial. So obviously for you to do that is very simple and very straightforward. Make sure that you actually get your Binance account ready. Then you are going to click on this deposit option over here. Click on deposit option and you are going to choose USDT because you're actually transferring USDT and not Toncoin. Choose USDT over here, and this is where this is very important. You actually, this particular network is being run by Ton. So as you can see, we have Ton over here. So you are going to choose Ton network instead of TRC20. You are going to choose Ton network, which is going to cost us 0.001 USDT for transaction fee. Choose Ton network over here. And as you can see, this particular wallet actually require a memo, so I'm going to click on OK over here. So we need two important things, which is deposit address. We also need the USDT memo for us to actually receive this money. So let's go back to our Tonkeeper wallet, and we actually want to transfer this particular USDT. So the first thing is to click on the USDT you have already. I have 10. To click on this send option over here, and we are going to need our wallet address. So let's go back to our Binance, then copy our wallet address, copy this wallet address, then come over to Tonkeeper. So paste your wallet address over here. So another thing that is very important is this memo. Copy your memo over here, copy it, then come over to your Tonkeeper wallet, then paste the memo over here, click on it. As you can see, I actually have my address. I also have my require comment, which is the memo. So I'm going to click on continue to show you exactly how you can do the transfer. So I'm going to transfer the 10 USDT. Click on actually choose 10 over here, then continue. So as you can see, they are going to charge me 0.08, which is about a 0.13 ton. So let me continue. Let me continue this particular transaction. So I might actually reduce it because of the amount. So let me try it first. I'm going to confirm this particular transaction to show you. As you can see, it is done. So they are going to charge the amount inside the balance I'm sending out to Binance. So I'm going to wait for a little bit for this particular payment to be dropping to my Binance account. Then I will have to pause this video, actually continue when I actually receive the money.
A few moments later.
So after waiting for some minutes, as you can see, my balance has been debited in my Tonkeeper wallet. So let me check my Binance account to actually show you. So I'm going to go back completely, then actually refresh it to show you if I actually received the payment. As you can see, my balance actually increased. So let me go back to asset option over here, click on asset option. Then I'm going to show you. As you can see, I actually received a deposit of 10 USDT. So I'm going to click on it to show you the transaction details. So I actually received 10 USDT. So this is the 10 USDT that have been deposited from Tonkeeper wallet to my Binance account. I hope this video actually help you out to figure out how you can do your transfer from one wallet to another. If you do, kindly give this video thumbs up, and if you want to be seeing this kind of video on my YouTube channels, ensure you subscribe so that whenever I drop a new video, you are going to be the first one to see my video on this particular channel. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.